How many subs do you need to make $1,000 on YouTube? It's probably a question that you hear all the time. Maybe it's even a question that you're wondering yourself. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make $1,000 on YouTube and how many subscribers you need to do this. And we're starting right now. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you're new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business, and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle, start a business, and own your life by turning your passion into a career. Then consider subscribing by clicking that big red button down below and join the Creator Nation. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel, and we can reach more and more people, help turning their passion into their dream job. Before we do get into the video, we are doing an iPhone giveaway, so make sure you count all of the poop emojis popping up throughout the video. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so that you can count all of the poop emojis, and then comment down below how many you counted to enter the giveaway. So the first misconception that a lot of people think is the key to making money on YouTube comes down to your subscriber count or the capacity of your audience. But if you know anything about YouTube, you'll know that your subscriber count has absolutely nothing to do with how much money you can make on YouTube. So I want to make sure that's absolutely clear. You could have one channel with 6 million subscribers, and you could have another channel with 20,000 subscribers, and in some cases the smaller channel will actually be earning more money than the channel with 6 million subscribers. It all comes down to your strategy, and that's how you can earn the most money. So let's say if you had 3,000 subscribers, how much could you potentially make? Well, going off different channels that I've looked at, I've seen a channel with 3,000 subscribers can potentially earn $500 per video. And then I've also seen a channel with 1 million subscribers, and they're only earning around about $250. So about half what the smaller channel is earning with a much smaller channel. And you're probably thinking, how is this possible? Well, we're gonna have a look how you can do this. So I want to share how smaller channels are making millions of dollars with a much smaller audience here on YouTube. Firstly, do not leave how much money you're going to make all down to YouTube. If you're just counting on your ad revenue money from YouTube, you're never going to make as much as you potentially can earn. So if your scheme is to earn as much money from ad revenue, then you're really hurting yourself when there's so many more streams of income outside of YouTube that you can leverage your audience to earn 10 times the amount of money you'll be making just from your AdSense revenue. Let's just say on average you make $2 per 1,000 views. Now for these much smaller channels, they have different streams of income, whether it's affiliate marketing, brand deals, sponsorship. The big one that we're going to talk about in today's video is selling digital products and merchandise. Let's say for your channel, your money you're getting through ads is about $2 per 1,000 views. Now let's say you have a $30 digital product, and let's really lowball this here and say you're going to convert 1% of your views into a sale. So from those 1,000 views, 1% of 1,000 views is 10 sales. 10 sales of $30 equals $300. So from that same 1,000 views from just AdSense, you were making about $2. We take that same audience range of 1,000 views and you sell 10 $30 digital products, you're actually making $300. So you can really see how with the same audience, you can potentially earn 50 times as much just by having a business strategy in place that helps you earn more money rather than waiting for your ads revenue that takes you 10 times as long. So it's a really huge misconception that a lot of people think YouTubers are making lots of money from their ads on YouTube. In reality, it's a small fraction of the amount of money that YouTubers are making on YouTube. And the sooner you realize this, the sooner you can potentially earn more money when you just start out on YouTube. You don't need to wait for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, because you can start selling your own products as soon as you create a YouTube channel. As soon as you start getting a few views, you can actually make more money than you would once you actually get into the YouTube partnership program where you're only earning $2 per 1,000 views. There are so many examples of someone who just started on YouTube. This particular example, they had about 150 subscribers and their first video had about 300 views, and they sold their diet plan for $99. That's just one sale and about 300 views. Their CPM, that's their cost per 1,000 views, for that is about 10 times, 20 times, 50 times as high as their $2 CPM on YouTube ads revenue. So you can really see the potential of smaller channels making much more money than larger channels by leveraging all of the income streams that they have available to them, even with a small audience. The sooner that you realize that if you have a business plan in place, you have digital products, you have your merchandise that you can sell, all going towards a small audience that you have that loves your channel and they really trust in what you have to offer, you're going to actually make more money than a huge audience that really don't care or trust what you have to say. So don't look at it in terms of I need 1 million subscribers to earn lots of money money on YouTube. You can start today, start a YouTube channel and actually earn more than somebody with 1 million subscribers when you have a business plan in place to earn 10 times as much as what you could earn through the YouTube partnership program. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you learned in this video, and let me know if this has encouraged you to start a YouTube channel. I love to hear you guys' thoughts. Let me know any other questions that you have, and I can look at answering that either in the comment section or in a new video for you guys. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel, and make sure that you subscribe and join the Creator Nation if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did love this video, I know you'll love these other videos, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.